What's going on, YouTube? This is gonna be my first official YouTube video. Yeah, I'm gonna be installing this Alibaba wheel, carbon fiber. It came with the Alcantara airbag, but I just bought a OEM BMW airbag because I don't trust those. But yeah, got carbon fiber paddles and stuff. Time to get this shitty ass, old ass, fucking malnourished or some shit airbag out of here. But yeah, here's the OEM airbag I got. Yeah, don't want that shit to blow up. The connector on the back, that shit, I don't know what the fuck happened to it. It should have worked though. Hopefully, it's not brand new, but it's a used airbag. But yeah, let's get to that. Oh my god, it's so fucking windy. Yeah, it's how it shot. Let me mock it up. The airbag on here. Hold on. Okay, it fits actually perfectly in there, as you can see. But yeah, this shit about to look so good. I made a video before, but yeah, my car's a little dirty right now, but you feel me? Tasman metallic. Gotta get some new wheels and shit. Let me pop the hood and show you guys real quick. Oh my god. Yup, N55 in all her glory. Yeah, this was one of the worst financial mistakes I ever. Man, should have got the coil start intake right there, actual cold air intake. Get all this junk off of here. Then charge pipe and stuff. I'm having a problem with where is it? This thing, the purge valve. Gotta check engine light for that. My car runs like shit, and it's like 50 degrees right now, so I don't know if it's gonna start up. But yeah, so dirty. But man, it looks so good. Man, I can't wait to get rid of this shit, bro. It's about to feel so much better. And I'll get paddle shifters, you feel me? And I could do POV drives, you know? But yeah. Little kid.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet. Let's do it. This one? Let me open Fuck. Oh my god, he's spinning rocks at me. Oh shit, close the door, close the door. Oh. Keep that shit quiet, bro.
I bet. Peace, bro.
Let him come straight over here, bro. Keep that shit quiet. He's coming. Well, he's coming here.
You mean?
Bro, keep that shit quiet and pull off, bro.
Where's my fucking...
Put on your seatbelt. Keep that shit quiet and pull off, bro. Oh my god, he sees the marks on the ground too. Yo, pull off, bro. Keep it quiet. Fuck. Oh, that nigga cop. That nigga bring the cops on.
Oh shit, he's turned around. Fuck.
No way he's following us.
Wallah, he might be.
Just go slow, bro. I ain't got time for that shit. Go ahead. He's following us still? He doesn't have anything on us. The car's quiet.
He's following us. I don't know why he's following me.
He doesn't have anything on us, bro. He just knows the guy, whoever did it, was next to us. Right, low-key, he might think it's us. That shit's illegal, right?
Yeah. His car's rear-wheel drive though.
I'm just gonna put in the address to your house. Just go home, bro. And they got the cops on us, bro. What the fuck? Who called the cops then?
Target people.
Nigga,
they
why
heard
should
it.
we leave, bro? He's following us?
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude? He didn't turn yet. He's not following us anymore, right?
Or that could be a loser in an undercover car trying to be cool.
Fuck no, the way he was moving, he was a cop for sure. And I heard the sirens the second that he pulled off. What's his name? Whatever his name is, I don't know his name. That's crazy. His car is insane. What the fuck did he do to his car?
Straight pipe. That's how he straight. That's a straight pipe. That would be my